The story, A Day in Sarah's Town. Sarah lives in a small town. Her town is quiet and has many nice places to visit. Today, she wants to walk around and visit some of her favorite places. First, Sarah goes to the park. The park is near her house. She likes to go there to play on the swings and see the ducks in the pond. The park has many trees, and Sarah enjoys the fresh air. She sees some children playing and waves to them. Next, Sarah walks to the post office. The post office is a little farther from her house, but Sarah likes going there. She has a letter for her grandmother and wants to send it. The post office is a small building with a big red mailbox outside. Sarah puts her letter in the mailbox and feels happy because she knows her grandmother will get it soon. After the post office, Sarah goes to the bank. The bank is across the street from the post office. Sarah doesn't need to use the bank today, but she likes to look at the big building. The bank is tall and has shiny windows. People go to the bank to get money or put money in their accounts. Then, Sarah visits the library. The library is her favorite place in town. She loves to read books, and the library has many. Sarah finds a new book about animals and sits down to read. The library is quiet, and she feels calm there. Finally, Sarah goes to the cafe. The cafe is near the library. Sarah buys a hot chocolate and sits by the window. She watches people walk by and thinks about her day. The cafe smells like coffee and freshly baked bread. It is a cozy place, and Sarah feels warm and comfortable. As the sun starts to set, Sarah walks back home. She had a fun day visiting the different places in her town. She thinks about how lucky she is to live in a place with so many nice spots to visit.